I get up early in the morning. I make my bed. First, I squeeze the toothpaste. Then, I brush my teeth very softly. Next, I rinse my mouth with water. Now I am all ready. I take my hairbrush and brush my hair. It makes it look very nice and tidy. Next, I take a relaxing shower. The warm water feels so good. Finally, I dry my hair with a towel.
Now it is time for some breakfast. I always start with I pack my bag for the day. Next, I put on my sneakers. Then, I head out the door. And finally, I lock the door. Leaving my home, taking the bus, arriving at the office. Time to start. Sometimes I take a break between work and drink a hot cup of tea.
For lunch, I have a sandwich. I love to eat in this beautiful park, and I stay hydrated. Work at the office is over now. Now I am ready to go. It was a long day at the office, and now I am finally back home. I can't wait to just unwind. First thing I do is take off my shoes.
Now that I'm back, I wash my hands with soap. I feel clean and ready to relax.
Today I cook my dinner at night. I really love to prepare healthy food. It is almost ready to eat now. And now it's time to enjoy my delicious dinner. I always brush my teeth before going to bed. I set my alarm before going to bed. It was a busy day. Good night. See you tomorrow.